When playing Monopoly, you roll 2 dice on your move. The situation you're in is that if you roll you're going to go to jail if you roll a double. You've already rolled 2 doubles, and if you get 3 doubles in a row, they end up sending you to jail for speeding. What I mean by double is rolling both dice the same. So you're going to go to jail if you roll a double. There's also a go to jail spot. You're going to go there if you roll a 4. So, what's the probability that you will not go to jail? So, how I'm going to define these events, let's go with, let's say the event of rolling a double, I'll call an E. The event I roll a 4, let's call that F. Yeah, sure, why not? Alright, so we're rolling 2 dice, so I'll go ahead and draw up my dice chart here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so if I roll a double, in other words, both dice being the same, let's look to see where those are. Well, both dice being the same, 1, 1, or 2, 2, or 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, or 6, 6. Those are doubles along there. You can see 6 different outcomes where we have doubles. And if you roll a 4, well, you can see there's actually a couple of different spots we can get a 4 at. 1 to 3, rolling a 1 then a 3, or a 3 then a 1, or a 2 and a 2. So that right there, those would be E. So N of E is 6. N of F is, looks like 3. There's 3 different outcomes where I can roll a 4. But of course, N of E intersect F is 1. Because there's one outcome where we're in both of those. So if we were doing the N of E union F, the reason I'm doing N of E union F is figuring out, okay, in how many different instances would I go to jail? I'm getting either double or a roll of 4. Well, 6 plus 3 is 9, minus 1 is 8. So there's 8 different outcomes, 8 different dice rolls where I could end up going to jail. So the probability of jail is, and this E union F is really jail, is going to be 8 out of 36. We're being asked to find what is the probability you do not go to jail. We're trying to find the probability of E union F complement. And we're going to want to use our complement rule. It's 1 minus 8 out of 36. Recognizing that I want these both to be written as fractions, instead of calling that a 1, I'm going to call it 36 out of 36, minus 8 out of 36. Again, I'm just using my rules for fractions. I know I want the denominators to be the same, and if I take a number divided by itself, it's equal to 1. So if I write 36 out of 36 instead of 1, I haven't changed anything. But this allows me to now do this subtraction. 36 minus 8 is 28. I get 28 out of 36, and I'd probably want to reduce this. 4 is a common factor. Get 7 out of 9. So, I mean, I guess I could have reduced this one to get 2 out of 9. I could have done it from there as well. So the probability that I do not go to jail is 7 out of 9. Although it never quite feels that likely when you're actually in the situation. It almost feels certain that you're going to go to jail in that situation, doesn't it?